Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to make boomerang video longer for Instagram. So let's begin. For this you have to open the Instagram and then swipe left to open the story section. There you can see infinite like icon, which is the boomerang icon. Tap on it and click the video. Once you click the video, on the top you will again see infinite like option. Just tap on that option. Once you tap on the infinite option on the bottom, you will see 4 different icons. You have to click on the timer like icon so that your boomerang video will slow down and it will appear longer. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe the channel. If you have got any queries or recommendations, feel free to reach out to us through the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, goodbye.